Hello and welcome to the workshop. On today's episode, we'll be turning this cool looking ant's nest. Now this nest was given to me by my brother-in-law. Now I'm not too sure if it is an ant's nest, it could be mud wasp or even a termite, but for this video I'm just going to call it an ant's nest. Now the plan I have for this build is to cut this nest in half, glue the two halves together, and then I'm going to cast it in resin using blue and red colours. Now since this nest has a lot of holes, I'm probably going to put it inside the vacuum chamber, which means these two colours are probably going to mix, which means hopefully I end up with purple. And then once the resin is cured, I'll be able to put it on my lathe and start turning. Well, I've got to admit, that was extremely hard to turn, but we did get there in the end. So now I need to give it a sand and then a polish, and we're all done. So before we take a look at my beautiful nest egg, we need to announce the winner of last week's Rubik's Ball. So congratulations, your comment was chosen at random, and this ball is headed your way. Now, since you guys love the giveaways so much, I figured let's do it again this week. But this time, something different, a dragon book. Have a look at these. They are absolutely amazing. Now, if you want a chance to win that, it's super easy. All you have to do is like this video and leave me a comment. And then next week, we'll pick a comment and send you a book. Now, you can also help me out by sharing this video and subscribing. It's all free to do so, but please only do it if you feel this video deserves it. Now, one other quick thing, this egg is now available in my Etsy store. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to take a look. Now let's check it out.